Did you know the easiest way to clean out your closet, or the easiest way to transition your wardrobe from one stage of life to another, have something in common? It is a super simple concept that I call the maybe box. And just maybe, you need a maybe box too. Let me tell you what it is. Now, primarily I use the maybe box when I'm cleaning out my closet because that's what I'm doing at this stage in my life. I made a video that I will put in a card up here and also down in the description about how I use the maybe box to transition my wardrobe from one stage in life to another. This video is how I use my maybe box to clean out my closet. Let's get to it. Hi y'all, if we've never met before, then welcome. My name is Lori and I'm so glad to have you here in my closet. If we have met before, then thanks so much for stopping back in. Now, let's talk maybe box. A maybe box is just exactly what you would think it is. It's a box, but it could also be a bag or, anything, any item that can be used to corral clothing items. That's what a maybe box is. Now, when you're cleaning out your closet, you can immediately get rid of anything that's in really bad shape. Just go ahead and trash that because you can't donate those pieces. Those don't need to go in your maybe box. Things that are an automatic yes that you know you want to keep because you wear them on a regular basis and you know you want to continue wearing them, those don't go in your maybe box. Your maybe box is filled with those clothing items and accessories that you're not quite sure about. It's not an automatic yes. Your maybe box are those items that don't automatically spark that Marie Kondo joy. Like when you hold that piece up and you don't get that, immediately, I love this. I'm going to keep this, I'm going to wear this forever. That's a maybe piece. It's not an automatic yes. It's not an automatic no. It's an unknown. In my opinion, it's the unknown that keeps so many of us from cleaning out our closets regularly like we need to be doing. We don't want to get rid of something because we don't know if we want to wear it again. Those are your maybe pieces. And your maybe pieces just simply go in your maybe box. Because all you need to do with the box is allow it to give you some space to live without those pieces for a while. I give myself 90 days. When I'm going through my closet and editing my wardrobe, I pull out all those maybe pieces and I throw them in the box. Then I simply set a calendar reminder to deal with my maybe box on my phone in 90 days. 90 days from the date that I filled up the box. And I take the box and I put it out in my garage so that I'm not looking at it and seeing it every day. Your maybe box won't function well for you if you're seeing it every single day and thinking, maybe. Because what you want is you want to get all of these pieces out of sight, out of mind. Now, over the 90-day time span, if you find yourself missing a piece that is in your maybe box, you can go back and get it. For instance, if you put a pair of jeans that you were on the fence about in your maybe box, and 60 days from now you're thinking this outfit would be perfect if I had those jeans, guess what? You have those jeans, just go get them back out of your box. They're yours and you can keep them. No harm, no foul. That is your clothing. You can go back and get that out of your maybe box if you want to. But here is the little pearl of wisdom that makes the maybe box work so very well. When that calendar reminder comes up on your phone, today's the day you're dealing with your maybe box, you don't open it. You don't look at it. You don't go through it, because the time between today and the day you put that item in your maybe box is all you need to know to prove to yourself that those are not maybes after all. They are definite no's. So you simply take the items in the box, or the whole box if you can, and you donate them or you resell them or you do whatever you do with your good quality clothing that's in good shape that you're not going to wear anymore. Because if it's been sitting in that box out of mind, out of sight for 90 days and you haven't gone back for it because you haven't thought about anything in that box, that is your proof to yourself that you no longer need that item. That item no longer serves you, and it is okay to let it go. Don't open up the box and start reconsidering everything. Just let it go. You've already proven to yourself that it's not for you anymore. You can be confident in your choice to free yourself of those things. That's it. That's a very simple and effective way my maybe box works. And I hope you consider using a maybe box for yourself as well, because it is so effective. It allows you to edit down your wardrobe without any of that fear of getting rid of something you're going to need. And it allows you to feel confident when you do get rid of things that you've already proven to yourself you don't want or need. Win-win, right? Thanks so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes today. If you'd like to hang out again from time to time, please do consider subscribing to the channel, but only if you want to. If you don't want to, don't worry about it. You can come back and visit anytime you like, whether you're subscribed or not. You want to hang out with me here in this video? I'd love to see you over there, but if not, don't worry about it. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.